Morning.
Morning. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Enjoying your coffee?
Yeah.
Gonna have some fruit?
Maybe later.
So this is our room here at the Majestic Colonial. Very spacious. We have an ocean view room. So we have an enormous terrace area that leads out onto a grassy area. So we basically have a big front yard. I'm not going to open the door because it's super humid out and I don't want the lens to fog up. But right past the grassy area is the wall. And on the other side of the wall is the beach and then the ocean. So hopefully you can see. Let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, a little bit. Okay, so there's the ocean out there. They did give us a little bag. It says Majestic Resorts. And then they also gave us 2 Majestic Colonial baseball caps, which was very nice.
Right over here.
Over there we have
Right
our,
there is the bar.
Oh yeah, right there is the bar. So we're super close to the bar. We can just run across our yard and hop the fence and get a drink if we need. The patio also has a jetted tub, like a, what do you call those? Not a hot tub, but a jacuzzi tub, kinda. And there's a rack out there for drying your stuff. I like this room because we're on the end and it's like super private. We're not looking at anybody else's balcony or patio. And this is a living room area. Basic, comfortable couch, table. I believe that couch turns into a bed. I'm not 100% sure, but we don't need it, so. And then on the other side of the room is the office area. So if somebody comes here and is crazy and wants to do work, they can. Just as a side note, this is my hair for the week. I'm sorry, I apologize, but there's nothing you can do with it. It's super humid. So this is what I am for the week. Okay, we have a little platform here for suitcases and whatnot, which is nice. That's our air conditioning control unit. I said, unit. And our room service, if you scan that code, it brings you to the room service menu. And room service, like everything else here, is complimentary. It's all inclusive, so you don't pay for anything. Except like spa treatments if you wanted a massage or something like that. But food, drinks, and entertainment is all included. And then, and this is just the coffee and snacks bar. So it comes with a little coffee machine and an espresso machine. And then it also comes with 2 bottles of alcohol. We usually get Brugal. I don't know why we didn't get Brugal this time, but that's fine. And also a bottle of champagne. I'm always opposed to hotel coffee machines because of the powdered creamer, which is disgusting. So I got smart this year and purchased these non-perishable little half and half cups. You can get them right at Shaw's. I thought that was such a good idea. So now I can make my coffee and have actual half and half in it, not powdered creamer.
It's Shaw's.
Shaw's is our grocery store at home. Okay, the little refrigerator comes stocked. They restock it every day. And it's got beer, soda, water in there. I also thought it was nice that they left a giant bottle of water here to make coffee with because you're not supposed to drink the water. Our stomachs aren't used to it and it could make us sick, so you don't drink the tap water here. So I thought that was nice. On this side they have snacks, plantain chips, peanuts, cookies that get restocked every day. And over here is the bathroom area. And it's a dual vanity, so Joe and I each have our own side. Huge, comes with a mirror and a hair dryer, everything you need. Comes with all kinds of cute little kits too. I love these, like a little shaving kit in case you forgot your razor. And this here is a dental kit, so it's got a toothbrush and some toothpaste in there, and another shaving kit, and a vanity kit which has Q-tips and cotton balls. I thought that's cute. And it's got little lotions and body washes and all that stuff. Everything you need. Stand up. Okay.
Nice.
Yep. So this is the toilet in here, and the toilet doors at the Colonial are much more frosted than the doors in the Elegance where we usually stay. You can basically see right through those doors, which is the only thing I ever hated about Elegance. But these are very frosted, so they're more private. But that's the toilet area. And then the shower to the left of the toilet area is enormous. It's luxurious. And it's got the rainfall shower head up there, plus a hose. Shampoos, soaps, conditioner, everything you need. So that's the bathroom area. Opposite the bathroom area is the closets. So on this side we have robes, slippers, ironing board, and the safe is on this side. And on this side is where we have our clothes hung and stored. Nice big roomy closets. So that's our room here at Majestic Colonial. We love it. It's perfectly comfortable. It's huge. And we're gonna go get some breakfast.
And that great view of the ocean.
Somebody just waved at us.
Who?
That lady right there, she stopped and she looked in this direction, and then all of a sudden she waved. So I don't know who else she could have been waving to, but I feel like she looked right in and waved at us. But yeah, that view is just amazing.
Let's see if we can't hear the ocean.
Definitely can.
Ooh, hot.
It is hot.
I'm gonna walk over. So it's early, so there's hardly anybody out at the beach right now, but it'll get busy later. I'll join you.
Thanks. So yeah, I went over to the lounge this morning. There's a club member lounge that has early morning coffee and all kinds of pastries and toasts and bread and jams and little sandwiches, and we'll show you that obviously. But I went over there this morning early to get some coffee. But now we're going to go over to the buffet, I believe, and have some breakfast, and then we are going to go to the pool.
Yes.
So we'll see you in a little bit.
Hi, kitty.
They're so tiny. Tiny little kitty. Punta Cana kitties are so small. All of them. Look, here comes another one. So tiny. No wonder I haven't seen a lizard. Hi. I saw one lizard.
A little skinny.
Hola, kitty. Hola, gato.
All right. Hola, gato.
I'm gonna walk over to the club lounge just to.
Morning.
Good morning. Just gonna walk through the club lounge to show you what it's.
Oh, it's over here.
Yeah, what it's like. And this is a lounge that's for club members only, and it's open early for breakfast, and then it's open throughout the day for snacks. So I just wanted to give you a quick video.
Okay,
Show you what
let's
it's
go.
got.
Oh, it's nice and cool in here.
Nice over there. Nice and cool. beautifully air conditioned, which is wonderful.
Sure is. Oh, thirsty? Is that where you got the coffee in?
Yeah. Get all those choices.
Okay. Those look delicious.
All different kinds of jams for your bread, cereals and granola.
Is that the peanut butter?
Homemade peanut butter, yeah.
How do you know it's homemade?
Because I've read on other reviews that said it was homemade.
Yeah. And this changes out through the day?
This way?
It'll change like to lunch stuff later?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, they already got
open.
sandwiches out.
Yeah, yeah. Yogurts and this I love, the raw honey. I had some of that on toast this morning.
That's
It's
super
delicious.
fun.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Little sandwiches, cheeses and meats and
Yeah.
stuff.
Nice.
Some fish and
Can't wait
steak.
to take advantage of that.
Yeah.
Very nice.
This is great to have. The only problem is it opens at 7. They used to be open 24 hours. And if the person who gets up at 4:30,
What is this?
7's late. It's poison fruit. It's dragon fruit or something. That looks like eggplant. What is that?
Very nice.
Mimosas. You can make mimosa. Orange juice and soup. Champagne.
Nice.
And this is the walk from our room section to the main buffet where we're going to have some breakfast. And this is still the club section. So these pools on either side are for club members only, adults only basically. You have to pay extra and then it's adults only. And then on the other side is the general pool area for everybody, families and everybody. See all this foliage and prettiness and palm trees and palabras, and this is what makes me love the Majestic resorts over others in the Punta Cana area. Some of them just look like Las Vegas hotels, and I like to feel like I'm on a tropical island, and here you absolutely do.
Oh my God, look at the trees. They're amazing.
The palm trees and the bushes and the paths and it's just beautiful. We took a walk over to the Hard Rock Cafe when we were here one year, and I hated it. It was just felt like I was in Las Vegas. It was big,
Yeah.
modern, brass and glass building, and you didn't feel at all like you were on a tropical island. It's another bar. Bars everywhere.
They open at what time? 10?
10, yeah.
For the bars? 9.
Bars open at 10. Look at these.
That's crazy, huh? I love it. past these two.
And a few different sections too, like you did.
Yeah.
And a part one too. And it was getting too long. So
Yeah, definitely.
So we split it up.
Alright, we're back on it. This is where we sat last night for a little while out here.
It was a live band.
But we were exhausted from traveling to get. We were traveling all day yesterday, and then we got up and had drinks got here and got up, dressed and had drinks by the pool for hours and got a little drunk. And we were just too tired to keep going.
We're coming up to the buffet. This is the main buffet that's open for breakfast and dinner and sometimes lunch, not every day. But we'll just take you on a little quiet tour around the buffet. It's amazing how much food they have here. Like you could, oh my gosh, you could eat for days.
That's one way to have breakfast.
The billions of bread section.
Okay. Huh?
Beet juice? What is that? It's like beet juice.
Yeah.
It's like kiwi or something? Some kind of soup. Oh, it's hot chocolate.
Is it?
Yeah.
Hot chocolate?
Hot chocolate.
Yeah, okay.
Big cauldron of it. And this is... Oh, yes. They just
Cheeses.
have some brown sugar somewhere.
What's in the bowl right there?
That?
In the bowl, in the small bowl, next to the soup.
That's cinnamon. Need some cheese. All the way around it.
Yeah, solo que quiero fresa.
Is this like olive oil?
I guess so.
You get a sandwich made if you want to.
Oh,
Bien tostadito.
made to order sandwiches.
What is that?
Plantains. The sweet ones.
Hash browns.
Cheese with fried cheese.
Oh, that's how it is?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This is your omelet station. What?
I was like, where's my bag? I didn't bring it.
Ham? Morning. Huh? Nothing right now.
Alright, what we got, Michael?
Oh, this is omelets, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Ese es cake. Ilan? No,
That looks like dulce de leche.
Yeah. Morning. Yeah, that's a great way to store your donuts.
That is fun.
Strawberry.
No, lactose free. Come here.
Yeah. Yogurt.
Yogurt.
More honey.
Italian milkshake. I keep wanting to text her, but she's in school. Una mimosa.
Fried cheese, hash brown bacon, some kind of gabagool, eggs on toast, coffee, orange juice, mimosa, coffee,
Oatmeal.
toast
Toast with
with
dulce de leche.
dulce de leche.
Scrambled eggs, fried plantains, gabagool, and cheese.